is a company for shipbuilding engineering, marketing and consulting, trade and services. Established in 1998 in Sremska Mitrovica, Serbia, with the aim to activate, consolidate and utilize some of the shipbuilding capacities in the area. The sole shareholder of Team is Danubius Building Corporation, a private company whose major activities are export sales and financing of shipbuilding projects within the organization. Over the period of 10 years, the organization has established control and management in 2 shipyards, Apatin in Apatin and Dunav in Bezdan, restored their production and market position, raising them to an acceptable level. Today, both shipyards are joint stock companies with majority of shares in private ownership. Since 2005, the Danubius Team organization has been expanding its activities and gaining new production capacities by renting another 2 shipyards, Sava in Mačvanska Mitrovica and Novi Sad in Novi Sad. In 2006, the annual steel throughput of the whole system amounts to approximate 10,000 tons. However, the investment plans of the organization are aimed at increasing the overall capacity, raising at the same time productivity and efficiency of each shipyard in order to further improve the competitiveness and market position of the Serbian shipbuilding. The Danubius Team Shipbuilding Group manages and coordinates business operation in 4 shipyards covering project planning, project management, sales and purchase, transport and logistics, finance and accounting, project analysis, team engineering. By joining the latest technology, knowledge and experience, we formed a team of engineers capable to meet challenges of the modern world market. We offer full ship kit including material lists, steel plates, profile lists, generating parts, NC programs, outfitting drawings, redrawing and renewing old or incomplete shipbuilding documentation. Shipyard Apatin, established in 1920, is located in Apatin town at the left bank of the Danube, in northern Serbia, close to the Hungarian and Croatian border. The yard is capable of building, outfitting and repairing vessels up to 135 meters length and 15.5 meters breadth, with a design annual capacity of 4,000 to 6,000 tons of steel. The yard's facilities such as synchro lift with a carrying capacity of 1,500 tons for launching of new buildings and lifting ships for repair purposes, specialized workshops and 2 assembly halls with 6 erection bays, connected by a rail transfer system with a synchro lift, meet the requirements of a modern building and outfitting technology for constructions of river and sea-going ships, as well as ship repair. The yard's location provides direct waterways connection to Western European markets via the Danube-Main-Rhine system, as well as to the Black Sea ports, so the vessels can be easily transported in a safe and cost-efficient way. Shipyard Dunav in Bezdan, established in 1920, is situated at a channel approximately 30 kilometers north from Apatin, connected to the Danube via the Danube-Tisa-Danube channel system. The yard is capable of building vessels up to 86 meter length and 10.5 meters breadth, but specializes in smaller utility vessels such as tugs, push boats, workboats, pontoons, as well as in so-called small steel works such as tanks, hatches, manholes, bollards, staircases, railings, etc. The designed yearly steel throughput amounts to 2,000 tons. The yard is distinguished for its highly skilled workers, who are also engaged on new buildings at other yards in the group. Shipyard Sava was founded in 1919 as is situated on the right bank of the river Sava in Mačvanska Mitrovica, opposite the town of Sremska Mitrovica. The distance from the Serbian capital Belgrade is 136 km by the river and 70 km by highway. Sava has a side slipway, length 130 meters, breadth 28 meters, with launching capacity 2,000 tons and lifting capacity 1,500 tons. The design capacity of the yard is 8,000 to 10,000 tons of steel throughput PA, due to its modern facilities such as automatic shot blasting, shot priming plant with a 20,000 tons per year capacity and CNC cutting machines with 12,000 to 15,000 tons per year capacity. Sava serves as a steel preservation and cutting center for the whole system, where prefabricated steel packages are prepared and distributed to all 4 shipyards for further assembly. Shipyard Sava specializes in new building of all kinds of river and sea-going ships, general cargo, container, tanker, etc., tug and push boats, dredgers, floating cranes, passenger ships, fishing ships, bulk carriers, ro-ro hulls, supply and anchor handling ships. Shipyard Novi Sad was founded immediately after the World War II on a by-channel of Danube in Novi Sad. Since 1955, this yard constructed over 260 vessels, such as suction dredgers, bucket dredgers, tankers, tank barges, self-propelled cargo ships, pushed cargo barges, tugboats, push boats. Maximum dimensions of ships that can be built at Novi Sad: length 120 meters, breadth 18 meters, launching capacity 1,000 tons. The design annual capacity of the yard amounts to 3,000 to 5,000 tons of steel throughput. Besides shipbuilding, the yard has facilities for other activities such as ship repair, floating docks with dimensions 80 meters with 11.5 meters and 450 tons capacity, production of all kinds of steel constructions for bridges, cranes, etc., tanks and pressurized vessels, pipelines for chemical and food industry, various ship equipment, etc.